quick and easy breakfast recipe. In today's video, I'm going to make French toast without vanilla extract. So we are going to be making French toast recipe, easy and delicious breakfast recipe. French toast is a popular breakfast food. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. For old and new subscribers, thanks so much for being supportive of my channel. I aim to give you simple and delicious meal. Let's dive into our French toast recipe. So French toast is a delicious breakfast meal. I'm using white bread, half cup of milk, whole milk. You can use any milk you have available. Then 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is optional. You can as well use honey to make it sweeter, just to give it a nice and sweetening. So two eggs. I'm also using 2 eggs to make my French toast. In a bowl, I'm going to crack 2 eggs. Then I'm going to give it a quick mix until it's well combined. French toast is one of those breakfast dish that do not call much recipe. So however, this homemade recipe, you are going to enjoy it. Please hit the like button to encourage us to do more. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then I'm going to add my half cup of whole milk. You can use any type of milk you have available. So I'm going to give it a quick mix to combine our ingredients. This homemade French toast recipe is simple with only few ingredients, without vanilla extract. You will enjoy this French toast without vanilla extract. So I'm going to combine my ingredients until where mixed. You can see how creamy this egg looks. So I'm going to dip my bread into my egg. So French toast is a recipe that you need to soak your bread in egg. So egg and make egg. So in a pan, I'm going to add my soaked bread in a pan to toast my French toast. So French toast is known as a delicious recipe and a popular breakfast food. You can enjoy French toast recipe at any time of the day. Many French toast recipe call for vanilla extract. However, if you do not have any vanilla or at hand, or you do not prefer the flavor, do not worry, you are going to enjoy this French toast recipe. So we are going to toast this for 2-3 minutes in one side in a low flame. So I'm going to flip it to the other side as well to allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes in a low flame. If you don't want your toast to get burnt and you want it to cook very well, you just need to cook it in a low flame. This is also ready. This our French toast is also ready. So let me transfer it into a bowl. So this is the outcome of our French toast without vanilla extract, which is very delicious and very easy meal to prepare. You can enjoy this French toast with a butter, even with strawberries, mixed vegetables and mixed fruit. Then with a warm syrup as well, you can enjoy French toast with honey. So I'm going to add syrup into my French toast without vanilla extract to enjoy my French toast without vanilla extract. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get updated of my next recipe and anytime I upload new recipe. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Give us a comment in the comment section. If you have any question regarding any of my recipe, leave it in the comment section. I'm always there to answer your question to the best of my knowledge. And as well, do not forget to share my recipe with your loved ones and your friends. Share it on any social media. The more they view, the more they like. I want to do more of this French toast recipe with you guys. And do not forget that French toast is a very delicious recipe. You can enjoy it with strawberry, with banana, even with raspberry and blackberries. So all these fruits and vegetables, you can enjoy it with your French toast without vanilla extract. So this is the outcome of our French toast recipe without vanilla extract, and this is after eating toast like that. It's very delicious, and I can't wait to share more of French toast without vanilla extract with you guys. So do not forget to subscribe to encourage me to do more, and as well share it with your loved ones. The more they view this video the more I want to share more French toast recipe with you. This recipe is inspired with my previous video on French toast without vanilla extract. You can see I enjoy it with strawberry as well. So do not forget to check more of my recipe. I have recipe on donuts with sugar and without sugar, and I also have recipe on watermelon smoothie and watermelon drink. Do not forget to check all that out. I will see you in my next recipe. I will see you in my next recipe, and please be safe out there. Do not forget to stay safe as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.